one of my last Instant Pot in-person classes, I was asked if there was a way to make fried rice in the Instant Pot. At the time, I wasn't 100% sure, so I've done some research and I found a couple different ways to do it. We're going to experiment with one of those tonight. So the thing that you're going to want to keep in mind is this is using a long grain white rice, and that I'm going to be using the pressure cook function instead of the rice function just because it's faster and I'm hungry. So you can use the rice function, but that's not what I'll be doing tonight. Alright, so what we're going to start with is just cooking the rice, and then we'll add the other things as that finishes. So what I have here is 1 cup of white rice. So we'll go ahead and pour that in. And the recipe that I'm using suggests vegetable stock. You can also use, chicken stock or just plain water, whatever you want to do for flavor. So I have approximately 1.25 cups here. Remember, with the Instant Pot in making rice, it's better to have more liquid than you're expecting. So, pour that in. All right, I'm just going to give it a little bit of a stir. All right, lid on. With the gauge set to ceiling, I'm going to plug it in. That part is important. Okay, so pressure cook, and oh my goodness, it's on 35 minutes. I'm going to take that down to 3. Sorry for the excessive beeping. And that'll start cooking in just a minute. When it's done, I'm going to let it manually vent for 10 minutes. There we go. And after that, I will let the pressure out. All right, see you in a bit. Okay, the rice is done. I fluffed it. I am going to add some oil, and I'm adding the frozen vegetables. It's on saute, and I'm going to saute that for 1 minute. I'm pouring the egg into a well. It's just 1 egg. And then I'm going to stir this all together for 2 minutes. Okay, so showing you how I did all the last steps got a little bit hectic. I've put pictures in to kind of make up for it. But here's our finished product, fried rice. And let's take taste. It worked. So this, of course, you can use as a side dish. You can add soy sauce or other flavors as you like. I personally like to actually cook it inside an omelet to make a Japanese style rice omelet. There's lots of fun things you can do with fried rice. So this recipe in particular, the website I got it from, is fantastic, because you can actually adjust from the print setting how many servings you want to do. So all of the portions and measurements I used were personalized to wanting 2 servings. You can also make it more as you like. In the meantime, enjoy our quarantine cooking.